Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all favorites, I have some things that I've been loving for the past few months. So if you want to see what your girl been loving, y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump straight into this here favorites. I have a basket right here with all my favorites. So I'm going to start off with food first. So this here are my absolute favorites. I did go to Trader Joe's the other day. Here are the dark chocolate, I call them banana chips, but they are called plantain chips. So yeah, you all, these here are my absolute favorite. I like chips, if you didn't know. So these here kind of give me that crunchy taste, little hint of chocolate on top. I'm not a big chocolate eater, but I don't mind the little drizzle on banana chips. So yeah, you all, this here is a favorite of mine, and you can get these at Trader Joe's. Now I will try and link everything. Keep in mind I will not be able to link the Trader Joe's things. So yeah, a favorite. And moving on to my next favorite, you all, this here is, I got this at Walmart. This here is Better Body Foods. It's an organic energy blend. This is what I use in my smoothies because I do struggle with being tired a lot. My voice may sound tired only because I'm filming really early today, because normally I film after 12 o'clock. But I wanted to go ahead and knock this video out. So excuse the voice, you all. But anyway, this is what I use to put in my smoothies. As you can see, I need another bag. This is what I use to give me that boost of energy without drinking energy drinks, because I do drink energy drinks, but it's not like the Red Bull and all of those type of energy drinks. It's more so the V8 energy drinks. I'm not sure if it's a difference far as which one is better than I normally drink, because coffee, like I said, do not keep me up. Pumpkin spice ramen noodles, but anyway, don't keep me up. Well, the coffee I have at home, it don't keep me up. So even drinking a cup of coffee, I can fall right to sleep. So I will say it gives me what I need without making me feel jittery or whatever. So yeah, it's just like a little scooper that's inside, and you take one scoop and you put it in your smoothies. I normally put mine in my smoothies. It says you can bake with it, and you can add it to your oatmeal bars. You can make it with cookies, muffins, smoothies, and shakes. But like I said, I just normally use this for my smoothies in the morning. So yeah, you all, this is also a favorite. We'll be repurchasing that once it's completely gone. Of course, I couldn't do a favorites without adding my Nespresso, my favorite Nespresso pods. At the moment, it is the tropical coconut. I think this is like a summer drink. But of course, I drink my drinks throughout the year. So I did just get this not too long ago. This is what I've been loving throughout the summer. I have been using regular iced coffee from the grocery stores, only because I have an espresso, and an espresso machine, you can't make like iced coffee. Like, you know how the coffee won't come out cold. I have to brew the coffee, let it sit, or put it in the refrigerator. And sometimes I don't have time for that. I just want my coffee. So lately I've been using regular iced coffee from the grocery stores. But when I'm not using my grocery store coffee, I do like to use the tropical smoothie, the tropical coconut. And I do have a few other favorites, but for now, this is the one I wanted to mention. Again, tropical coconut. And last but not least, you all, oh my gosh, I was so happy to find these down here at our Target, because they did not have these anywhere. Walmart, Target, Kroger, nowhere. I was home, my son introduced me to these, and ever since then I have been hooked. Do you hear me? Hooked. I do love chips, and I feel like these here are better than regular chips, spicy and hot. So yeah, you all, if you can find these at your local store. Now up north, they have them at the grocery stores. I'm not sure about anywhere else, but y'all, if you can find these at your local grocery store, try these out. They are freaking delicious. That's if you like the sweet chili. Oh my gosh, amazing, you all. These here are my favorite. And I also love the sea salt ones, but these here are my absolute favorite. So that's everything. So that's all my food items. So here is the basket of makeup, skincare, and whatever else in this here basket. I'm gonna go in any particular order. I do want to mention Biossance. This was given to me in my training products, you all. Oh my gosh. Again, hands down, I love this body scrub. The sugar body scrub. It also has squalene in it. Oh my gosh, you all. This body scrub, when I put this on in my shower, it smells like a spa. The smell, the scent, it just smells like I'm at a spa. Like if I close my eyes and put the music on, I feel like I'm at one of those you know, Atlanta spas. Like, oh my gosh, you all, this is amazing. And it also leaves your skin so soft, so soft. Again, this is the Biossance Sugar Scrub, my all-time favorite. My next skincare item, this here is by You to the People. I did get this in training products at my old Sephora, and I finally got a chance to use it because I've been using so much. I've been using other things. I was like, I'm that type of person when it comes to skincare. I like to stick to one thing. In case something happens, I know which product to blame. So it's what I use to take off my makeup, because not only is this a cleanser, it also can remove your makeup. So is when I take my makeup off, I'll use a makeup eraser. I'll go behind with a cleanser, which is the You to the People. And you all, amazing, amazing, amazing. And I also heard that their toner is really good as well. So yeah, you all, my all-time favorite. And on to my next item, you all. I'm almost out, so I will have to repurchase. This here is the Glow Recipe watermelon lotion, you all, at my old Sephora. Like, y'all, when I tell you when I first saw it, I was like, this is probably gonna smell like that cheapy watermelon, like, you know, like them Walmart lotions. This here smells amazing. Like, it don't smell cheapy whatsoever. It feels good on the skin. It feel like it's not like that. You ever use a lotion that feels watery? This hair lotion is bomb.com, you all. I'm just saying, if you go into a Sephora, please smell this Glow Recipe. And moving on to my next lotion is by Summer Fridays, you all. Hands down my favorites. Do smell like cocoa butter in a good way, you all. It smells good, and like I said, it's also nice and thick, good thick body lotion. And this here is a good thick body lotion. Of course, the size is not that big. I'm not sure if it comes in a bigger size, you all. But again, hands down, my favorite. To my all-time favorite, you all. This here I will be repurchasing. This here is the Paula's Choice. I'm sure y'all heard me mention it. But y'all, I'm telling you, go get this stuff and get this. Out of everything I mentioned, please get this. Because, oh my gosh, you all, when I tell you I get so many compliments on my skin, and it's because of this. Like, it's gone. It's nothing in here. Tad bit that I can use maybe today, and that'll be it. Hands down, my favorite. And I will be repurchasing this and repurchasing this and repurchasing this, because I did see results on this hair particular product. Like, yes, go get it, and don't get the little one. It's a waste of time. Just go ahead and pay the extra coins to get the full size. Please don't get that little trial size unless you buy the full size and you want to throw the trial size in your travel bag. But y'all, just go and purchase the full size. You'll thank me later. Next item, you all, which is the Strawberries and Cream Beauty Blender. They did just come out with this Strawberries and Cream line. I think it was a few weeks ago. And I had to get it because it was pink. And it also smells like strawberries. Now, after you use it, the strawberry scent do go away. It's just cute. Let me show you. Like, it's really cute. And I was always stuck with my original beauty blenders, but you all, these here are amazing. They so soft, and they just apply your makeup so nice. So if you're in the market for a beauty blender, you don't want to spend the beauty blender prices, I highly recommend the Sephora collection, you all. I'm telling you, my all-time favorite. And moving on to my next item, which is Summer Fridays. I was introduced to this particular product when I purchased these Sephora favorites. Anytime Sephora has a favorites, a lip kit, like a mascara, not a mascara because I'm not big on mascara, but anytime Sephora has like a collection of things like in a little cute pouch or bag, I most likely try and purchase them because they are at a good price. So you did get a full size of this here sunscreen, and this is what I use every day when I don't wear makeup. Now when I do wear makeup, I don't wear this under my makeup. I usually use my Supergoop sunscreen setting spray because this is a little heavy for me to wear under makeup because I am combination skin. I wouldn't recommend using this under like a full face of makeup, but you probably could use this under a skin tint because I think I used this with the Fenty skin tint, because you know this Fenty skin tint is really light. We still need sunscreen, you all, like we do. And one of my Sephora friends can tell you that because she went away and she didn't have no sunscreen. And oh my gosh, like oh my gosh, we do burn if we don't put on sunscreen, you all, just FYI. So yeah, I do highly recommend the Summer Friday. My next item, you all, hands down, y'all know how I feel about Laneige. I love this hair lip product. When I tell you I have went through so many Laneige lip products, this hair is almost gone, as you can see, because in the morning after I do my skincare routine, I always put something on my lip, like I have to. Yeah, I use this morning and night. I don't take this with me out only because of the fact that it has an applicator and I just don't feel like being bothered. Even though you can place the applicator inside of this, I just feel like this is one of those lip products that need to stay home in your bathroom or by cute. It smells amazing. Like, I'm not sensitive to scents. I know a lot of people are. Me personally, I prefer to have a scent in my lip products and stuff like this because I don't want it to smell like nothing. Yeah, again, my favorite. On to my next favorite, which is the Sephora glosses, you all. Oh my gosh, you all, if you haven't tried a Sephora gloss, please go try one, at least one, because you will thank me later. These hair glosses are amazing, and not only are they really good, they are affordable. Think, oh, I don't want Sephora collection is cheap. Like, no, Sephora just don't pay the extra money for like all that special packaging. That's why they're able to keep their prices affordable. Like, don't sleep on Sephora collection because they have some really good stuff, you all. This is in the color Bless, and this is like my pinky nude type color. So yeah, this is like my pinky nude. If you're not into this particular color, keep in mind they have so many other colors, you all. So many other colors. Please try one. You will thank me later. I'm just saying. Lip product, you all. This here I did get at Target. Like I mentioned, I was watching Andrea Renee. I think it was a Get Ready With Me video, and she mentioned this particular lip balm, you all. Watching her video, I went on Target.com. I threw it in my basket, and I drove up. They brought it to my car, and oh my gosh, you all, I am hooked. Like, I am hooked. Like the fact that it has the silver applicator, because you all, it feels amazing on the lips. Get more colors, but they are sold out, so I was only able to get Petal and Camilla. I think that's the other color. So my favorite, you all, this here is by the brand Cinema Secrets. Sephora do sell this. This is what I use to clean my brushes. Is Cinema Secrets. They do sell this at Sephora. Now I will say, I know I'm not the only one, but I do not clean my brushes as often as I need to. So with this is like a in between before I clean my brushes. Like when I'm using like my eye brushes, all you do is pour a little bit inside of this here can, and you swirl it around and take a towel, makeup off, and when I tell you, your brushes are super clean, and not like it dries instantly. Like, yes, so after you clean it with this, you can go right in and use the brush on your eye. You that type of person that like to use different colors and you just love this one favorite brush, get Cinema Secrets, you all. I'm telling you. Now this here, it can get wasteful because my eye brushes are not that big. So what I do, it worked for me because this here is not cheap. I pour mine in a spray bottle. My eye brushes I'll just spray the brush and then twirl it around on a paper towel and it cleans it, versus me pouring the product inside of this can. I feel like that's wasteful. Now, only time I will pour a product in this can if I'm using like my foundation brushes, because of course we know we need more than just a spray with the foundation brushes. But when I use my eye brushes, I can just spray a few times and that's more than enough product. So yeah, I will recommend, if you do decide to purchase this and you using eye brushes, pour some in like a small, like one of them small travel spray bottles. That's how I use the product. Again, my favorite. This here is not to take away from cleaning. You still have to deep clean your brushes, but this is just that in between clean. So yeah, I'm almost done, you all. Moving on to my last two items. These here came from Amazon, and I'm sharing because I never thought I needed a candle cutter. This is called, or candle scissors, but I do. So here on like the top of this hair candle, you see how it looks? This is where the scissors come in at. Take it and cut and see how it looks. Well, of course I didn't do it perfectly because I'm in my room, but if you have candles, you probably already have it, but if you have candles, I do highly recommend you to purchase some candle scissors. I think that's what they're called. I haven't been purchasing candles lately because I'm waiting for that Bath and Body Works sale, if they have in that sale. If not, I'll just probably grab a few because they do have really cute packaging now, you all. But yeah, and I do have the sweet as snickerdoodle, candle. But not least, you all, my daughter talked me into getting it. She was like, Mom, you need to stop using that lighter and get the one on Amazon. I'm like, I didn't need it, so you know, I don't need it. I'll use the lighter. Go ahead, throw it in the cart because I think it was like under $10. So y'all, when I tell you best purchase ever, do with this is just charge it. So you just cut this hair light on. You have to charge it. That's the only thing. And who would ever thought, you know, like I said, my daughter told me to get this. I think she was watching TikTok or something and saw this particular item. I'm glad I purchased this because I do burn candles. So this helps out a lot because I was, not that I was paying a lot for my lighters because I was getting them from Dollar Tree. But if I could have something like this, why not? And it's cute and pink. These two in my Amazon store. So just click on my Amazon storefront and it'll take you to my storefront and you can find these there. Also, I will try and remember to link everything down below so you can take advantage of Miss Tamika favorites. You all, that is it. You're like, that is all. I'm sure it was more, but I didn't want to make this video long, so I may do like a part 2 of things that I'm loving. So if you enjoyed this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.